Last Thursday, October 23rd, we had a very special guest come to the geology department. Dee Franklin, along with her brother Kyle Franklin and his wife Jill, came and brought us the most amazing donation that we have ever had. They donated a 5-carat diamond to our department for use of the students for the next several generations.
My dad gave it to my mom on their 25th wedding anniversary, and so it has special meaning. When my mom passed away, I told the family, we're not arguing over who gets this. I'm going to make sure it goes to a charity.
And so we are so excited to have this diamond here. We've decided to name the diamond after Dee and Kyle's mother, whose diamond this was. So our diamond now is named the Lurie Diamond, and we are thrilled to have it.
People can study and learn and grow, and it's the perfect home for it.